this is Harshita Sharma reporting live from my house, and today's video is actually slightly different but a very fun way of tutoring about quilling. Craft is about fun, craft is about creating something, and creation is always comes with fun. And right now I have, but we don't have much of a jewelry over here. I don't have green in my stuff. One that I have is this one, and I think we have learned how to make this one. So if you like this one with my outfit, you can actually watch the tutorial on my channel with my name, and you can go check more designs on my Instagram handle, _artistic_epiphany, and as well as on Facebook, wherever you are, YouTube, Facebook, Insta, to get more such inspirations about jewelry, quilling. And one more thing, that quilling has a lot of spectrums: jewelry to paintings to murals to wall art to big paintings and portraits as well. So there is no obligations that is just restricted to jewelry only, but I like making it, so this is the video. So today we are going to make a customizable jewelry for green clothes, because I have a lot of green clothes, but as you can already see, I don't have a lot of green jewelry. So jewelry can be obviously with a lot of things. It could be a bracelet, it could be a ring, and we have, as in India, a lot of different ways. I think everywhere it is, like be it from pile, which is somewhat anklet aspects of jewelry there are, and I might be making such videos. If you want to know more about jewelry vocabulary and stuff, we'll be making it. Comment in the description. For just hop onto the tutorial and we'll understand how we can actually make customized jewelry at home, and just have fun with your clothing, with your wardrobe. You can make a palette of different form of jewelry. You can make studs. People don't wear heavy jewels usually, especially in these times. I also don't like wearing a lot of heavy jewels until I'm going out, or until there is ethnic costume, or if I'm wearing going to a function, wearing with a fancy clothing. I don't like to wear a lot of fancy jewelry. So one important aspect of it is that we are going to make different form as well, that you can make work with casuals, you can make it work with fancy, and a very simple one that you can make in daily wear as well, like these. And it's about having fun. On to the tutorial. So if you like to read books or have good recommendations, and if you like entertainment content in general, I recommend a lot of content regarding it, and very platforms. So podcasts, reading, books. So if you want good recommendations, and if you just really want to understand reading at a basic habit or basic level, I'll be coming with videos about it. So be notified, subscribe, share, like, and don't forget to comment in the description that tutorial. And the tutorial is going to be bilingual, so आपको कोई problem नहीं होगा समझने में. It's a very basic level. Especially मैं इस video को as a kid oriented बनाना चाहती हूँ, that सब लोग उसको देख सकें. We'll just meet with the tutorial next part. Till then, bye, namaskar.